Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which GPU and operating system you have. This prevents installing the wrong package. Use Device Manager or the vendor utility to note model and driver branch and record Windows 10 versus 11 or your Linux distro and kernel. Once done, make a quick restore point or backup critical files so you can revert if needed. Then close games and heavy apps. This frees resources and avoids file locks, and you're ready to fetch the correct official driver package. Next, go straight to the GPU vendor's official download page and pick the exact driver for your model and OS. That avoids compatibility issues. Verify the installer checksum when offered, and choose the full driver package rather than a slim or express option so you get all components. If vendor notes recommend removing legacy drivers, uninstall them cleanly and reboot to ensure no remnants remain. After reboot, disable non-essential background apps. Then keep the downloaded installer handy for the next. Run the installer as administrator and choose custom or clean install when that option appears. This removes old components and prevents conflicts. Install, then reboot immediately to finalize driver registration. After reboot, verify installation in Device Manager and open the vendor control panel to confirm driver version and features. If you encounter crashes or black screens, roll back to the previous driver or boot into safe mode and use a display driver uninstaller tool to remove everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.